Inspired Mountain Vacations brings you a true winter wonderland experience. Snowmass Aspen offers all of the activities required for a convenient, exciting, and beautiful family vacation. Enjoy free s'mores at 3:30 p.m. every afternoon. Hair-raising tubing hill. The breathtaker alpine coaster. Ski school for all ages. Ice skating in Aspen and Snowmass. World-class uncrowded ski trails. Cozy warm fire pits. Scenic mountain gondola rides. And breathtaking mountain views.
Happy hour in the mountains. This is what you're looking for.
Your vacation continues with pedestrian-friendly villages, showcasing world-class shops, restaurants, dog-friendly parks, nightlife, and cozy fireplaces with the best hot chocolate.
Check out this fire pit. Amazing location for this fire pit, and right behind those rocks is one of my favorite hot tubs in Snowmass. Ski in, ski out hot tub, ski in, ski out fire pit, ski in, ski out ski locker room, playing in the snow, learning how to ski. Fabulous. See these skis? You can't because there's powder on them. It's dumping. 970-485-4091 to have me plan a ski vacation for you to Snowmass, Aspen, Colorado.
We start by flying you into the Aspen airport. When you land, your taxi or free shuttle takes you 15 minutes to your accommodations. The next step on your true vacation list is finding the perfect slopeside hotel or condominium. Snowmass offers hundreds.
Christmas Day 2024. Look at, and we're continuing with the ski in, ski out condos on our tour here today, Christmas powder days, and we're coming out to just a favorite of mine, the Crestwood, because of the location. Here's the Crestwood right here. These folks are standing right next to the ski locker room, taking pictures in the powder. We're going to go right up to the fire pit. Oops. Look at those condos right there are available for you also. Give me a call, 970-485-4091. I know I've got guests staying in this corner unit right here. How'd you like to ski right into that fireplace? And also the top hotel is the Limelight, and it is right there. The Limelight Hotel is right in the village with the ice skating rink right next to the gondola. Everything you need for a fabulous, convenient ski vacation. Convenience, convenience. I'm here for convenience. 970-485-4091. Give me a call. There's the ice skating rink. Can't see it because it's dumping snow. Here's the gondola. Yeep, yeep, yeep. All right, let's come around the corner here and show you how easy and convenient Snowmass is. Convenience. Whoop whoop. Powder, powder, Merry Christmas, powder. Coming this way. Coming through the powder. Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. Here's one of our favorite Venga Venga margarita places. It's gonna be sunny today. Great time to have margaritas on the Venga Venga deck. There's the view line.
Run, run, Rudolph!
Here we are, April 8th, 2024, Snowmass, Colorado, in Elk Camp. Took the gondola up. At the top of this gondola is the beginners, the kids ski school. Very easy. You got a magic carpet
Here's the Meadows lift. Also, great views for all those beginners, so you can really enjoy the mountains at the top of this Elk Camp gondola. One other great thing about this gondola is Grandma and Grandpa can come and hang out in the sunshine in April, great conditions, watch the kids learn how to ski, and even the adults. The adults are learning how to ski. So come and sit in the sun, enjoy the kids learning how to ski. Do it on your own. You don't have to have an instructor, even though instructors do get you going a little quicker. But look at that little one. Can you see that little one? He's doing great. And there's a little one, and oh my goodness, look at these kids coming. Let's take a quick look at these kids. This is, instructors have all the fun, don't they? Learning how to ski. Look at that, those kids are having a great time. Not with their parents, so they're gonna learn today. And they're gonna have the best time. Oh my gosh, they're playing in the snow. Look at that, that is worth it, parents. So anyway, here's the grandparents sitting in the sun and having a great time here in April 8th. And this is gonna be open for a while, another couple of weeks. Good morning from Aspen, Colorado, on top of the Aspen ski area. This is Brian with 970-485-4091. We're looking directly at the Aspen Highlands Ski Resort, and to the left is the Aspen Highlands Bowl, the classic 45-minute hike up to the peak, and you can ski that entire way down. Well, not the entire way down, you can see where the trail comes over to the other skis. But an amazing experience. You have to be in good shape for that. Or you can take the Aspen gondola up and walk up here and enjoy the views. So let's walk a little bit farther and we can see the mountains that you get to see just enjoying lunch. Come on up and take tons of pictures. This is just unbelievable. I took the Aspen gondola up. It only took 15 minutes. We're gonna walk over there and take a look at where we're coming from. Here's the Aspen gondola, the views going that direction. You don't have to ski. You can just buy a ticket and take a ride to the top of the world. Look at this, it's April 9th. Great conditions. Snowmass is closing this weekend, April 14th. Aspen will close the next weekend. And look at these spring skiing conditions, everyone just cruising around. So this is Brian with 970-485-4091. We can start booking your trips for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and even all the way to Easter. Looks like there's an avalanche dog in the distance. There's the Ajax Express. We're looking at the sun deck now, where you can have lunch inside or outside, enjoying these incredible views. With 360-degree views here. Gondola seats 6, and get the whole family in there. Just take tons of pictures. Look at our dog. Got this dog coming. All right, we got it. Oh my goodness. All right. All right, everyone's having a good time up in Aspen.
Really?
Come on, Ruthie.
Yeah, great job.
Look at this, great time for everyone at the top of the Aspen Mountain. Give me a call at 970-485-4091. We'll get you to Colorado mountains, Utah mountains, so you can enjoy the snow. Have a great day.